Hi everyone, welcome to Azure Security Series video number 5. Today we'll discuss about implement network security. Hello, who am I? I'm Xinjia. You can find me at my Twitter, and also you can go to techconnect.io to look for more Azure Security Center tutorial. This is today's agenda. Okay, let's get started. Build a network. Describe. Okay, we recommend creating most new virtual network through the resource manager deployment model. One of the key reasons is that Azure immediately delete virtual network in the classic deployment model when the subscription is disabled. Azure delete virtual network in the classic deployment model regardless of whether they contain resources. If you later re-enable the subscription, you have to recreate the resources that the virtual network contains. Azure has two deployment models of creating and working with resources, the Resource Manager deployment model and the classic deployment model. NIM solution is the process by which a computer NIM is resolved to an IP address. A computer can use the IP address to connect to the NIM computer by using the IP address, which the user might find difficult to remember. Azure provides a NIM resolution service that enables VM and cloud services within Azure to communicate by NIM. However, some configurations exceed the reach of Azure NIM resolution service. Carefully plan NIM resolution to ensure that all computers and VM can connect. To increase availability and scalability, you can create 2 or more VM. Two or more VM that publish the same application. For example, if 3 VM host at the same website, you might want to distribute incoming traffic among them to ensure that if one VM fails, traffic will automatically distribute to the other 2. You can use Azure Load Balancer to enable this traffic distribution among the VM. In this configuration, multiple VMs or services share a single endpoint. For example, you can spread the load of web request traffic across multiple web servers. You can use 2 types of Azure Load Balancers, public and internal public. A public load balancer makes the public IP address and port number of incoming traffic to the private IP address and port number of the VM and vice versa for the response traffic from the VM. Internal load balancer directs traffic only to resources that exist inside a virtual network or that use a virtual private network VPN to access the Azure infrastructure. In this respect, internal load balancer is different from a public load balancer. The Azure infrastructure restricts access to the load balance front-end IP address of a virtual network. Front-end IP address and virtual network are never directly exposed to an internet endpoint. Internal line of business application run in Azure and accessed from within Azure from on-prem resources. Microsoft Azure Traffic Manager is another load balancing solution that includes within Azure. You can use Traffic Manager to load balance between endpoints that are located in different Azure regions and hosted provider, or in on-premise data center. This endpoint can include Azure VM and Azure Web Service. You can configure this load balancing service to support priority or to ensure that users connect an endpoint that is close to their physical location for faster response. Network security group. You can use network security group to provide network isolation for Azure resources by defining rules that can allow or deny specific traffic to individual VM or subnet. This enables you to design your Azure virtual network to provide a network experience that is similar to an on-premise network. You can achieve the same functionality in your Azure virtual network as you would in the on-prem network, such as perimeter network. User-defined route. Control network traffic by defining route that specify on the next hop of the traffic flow. You can assign user-defined route to virtual network subnet. Force tunneling. With force tunneling, you can redirect internet-bound traffic back on the company on-premise infrastructure. Force tunneling is commonly used in a scenario where organizations want to implement packet inspection or corporate audit. Azure Virtual Network is bound to Azure subscription, and it is not possible for multiple subscriptions to use the same Azure Virtual Network. If you need to provide communication between different Azure subscriptions, you need to create separate Azure Virtual Network in each subscription and use site-to-site virtual network connection or the Microsoft Azure Services Express route to connect them. All new virtual networks are regional virtual networks. This means that they can span a complete Azure region or data center. Cross-premise networks connecting. Virtual networks in Microsoft Azure also enable you to extend your on-prem network to the cloud. To extend your on-prem network, you can create virtual private network between your on-prem computer or network and Azure Virtual Network. Alternatively, you can use Express Route to provide a connection to an Azure Virtual Network that's not across the internet. Create virtual network and subnet. You can create a virtual network by using the Azure portal, the Azure CLI 1.0 or PowerShell, as shown in the slide. Create a network load balancer. The difference in scale, features, and pricing. Any scenario that is possible with the basic SKU can also be created with standard SKU, although the approach might slightly different. As you learn about load balancer, it is important to familiarize yourself with the fundamental and the SKU specific difference. Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS traffic load balancer that enables you to distribute traffic optimally to service across global Azure regions while providing high availability and responsiveness. Traffic Manager uses DNS to direct client requests to the most appropriate service endpoint based on the traffic routing method and the health of the endpoint. An endpoint is an internet-facing service hosted inside or outside of Azure. Traffic Manager provides a range of traffic routing methods and endpoint monitoring options to suit different application needs and automatically failover model. Traffic Manager is resilient of failure, including the failure of entire Azure region. When a client attempts to connect to a service, it must first resolve the DNS name of the services to an IP address. The client then connects to the IP address to access the device. Configure Virtual Network Gateway. An Azure Virtual Network Gateway serves as the cross-premise gateway connecting your network in your workload in Azure Virtual Network to on-prem site. It's required to connect to on-prem site through the Internet Protocol Security site-to-site VPN tunnel or through express route circuit. For IP security or Internet Key Exchange VPN tunnel, the gateway perform Internet Key Exchange, handshake, and establish the IP security S2S VPN tunnel between the virtual network and non-premise site. For express route, the gateway advertises the prefix in your virtual network via the peering circuit, and then forward package from your express route circuit to your VMs inside your virtual network. That's all for today. You can find me at my Twitter. If you got any question for today's video blog, you can go to my dev.to/jiaengsheng. Thank you very much.